Love your pet, but not the smell? Tried every product on the market with no results? Stop wasting money on cover-up products that don't do the job. Kitty Scram is a concentrated odor neutralizer that works within 15 seconds to permanently remove pet odors and reduce territorial marking. What makes us different? Our formula contains a synergistic blend of natural essential oils that instantly eliminate bad odors, pH-based reactants that change noxious odors into benign odorless molecules, and denaturing agents that provide permanent odor elimination. Deodorize your entire home in minutes. Kitty Scram is faster and more effective than enzymes, and so effective that visitors to your home won't even know you have a pet until you introduce them. Kitty Scram is incredibly versatile. Removes urine odors from carpets and upholstery. Eliminates territorial scent marking and odor-caused litter box aversion. Covers odors ranging from puppy and kitten training to elderly pet accidents. Use in the yard to discourage strays. Maintain daily freshness of litter boxes. Economical to use, diluted or full strength. Add to other cleaners for one-step cleaning and deodorizing of floors and surfaces. Use it in the laundry to deodorize, or add it to carpet extractors to clean carpets and upholstery. Available in easy-to-use recyclable quart bottles and 1-gallon economy refills. Don't sweep odors under the rug. Visit Quality Sewing and Vacuum today.